Ritam, Pal and myself. We both are currently pursuing Bachelor's in Computer Application degree from Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Today, me along with my team member will give a dialogue on the topic if peer pressure is beneficial or harmful for an individual or not. Ritam will go for the motion and I will go against the motion. Thank you.
So, dear ladies and gentlemen, peer pressure is a powerful force that can bring out the best in us. It motivates us to push beyond our limit, to try new things, and to strive for excellence. With the crowd, peer pressure can inspire us to reach new heights and achieve our dreams. It is being part of a community and that lifts each other and encourages growth. Things about it, same of the most successful people in history have created their peers for their success. Peer pressure can be a positive catalyst for change and process.
But Ritam, let's not sugarcoat it. Peer pressure can also be a toxic force that lead us down the path of destruction. It can force us to conform to norms that are harmful, to compromise our values and to lose ourselves in the process. We all have seen a good kids get influenced by wrong crowd and ends up making choices that ruin their life. Peer pressure can be slippery slope that leads us to addiction, bullying and suicide. We must be careful not to be opinions of others define our self-worth and protect our choices.
But don't you think that is a pessimistic view? Can't we choose to surround ourselves with positive influences and support peers? We have the power to choose our friend and our environment. And let us be real, a little bit of pressure can be a good thing. It pushes us to work harder, to innovate, and to solve problems. Without peer pressure, we might become complacent and stagnant.
That sounds very in theory, but the reality is we are not always in control. Sometimes we are thrust into situations where the pressure is overwhelming. And what about those who are more vulnerable or impressionable? We can't assume everyone that is the same level of confidence or resilience. We need to acknowledge the potential risks and take steps to protect ourselves and others from the negative effect of peer pressure.
Peer pressure is a powerful force that can bring out the best in us. It motivates us to push beyond our limit to try new things and we strive for excellence. With the right crowd, peer pressure can inspire us to reach new heights and achieve our dreams.
But what about the cases where peer pressure leads to bullying, exclusion, and social anxiety? We cut into the negative impact we can have on mental health and self-esteem. It's not worth the risk, isn't it so?
Think about it, some of the most successful people in history have credited their peers for their success. Peer pressure can be a positive catalyst for change and progress. It encourages us to take risks, to innovate, and to collaborate.
But Rhythm, peer pressure can also be toxic for just lead us down a path of destruction. Don't you think? As I told you before, at the very beginning of this, it can force us to conform to norms that are harmful, to compromise our values, and to lose ourselves in the process. Isn't it so?
Of course, there are risks, but we can mitigate them by surrounding ourselves with positive influences and supportive peers. We have the power to choose our friends and our environment. And let be real, a little bit of pressure can be a good thing. It pushes us to work harder and to solve problems.
Okay, that sounds great in theory, but the reality is we're not always in control. I told you this before too. We can't assume everyone has the same level of confidence and resilience.
In conclusion, peer pressure can be a positive force that drives forward. Let's embrace it and use it to our advantage. Thank you.
In conclusion, peer pressure can be dangerous more than powerful impact. Let's be aware of its potential risks and take steps to protect ourselves and others. Thank you everyone for your